Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at Enbridge Incorporated using supply and demand. So the first supply is on, I see. Here, it's already reacting off there. As you can tell when you look to the right. Price is already reacting off this. I know some people might say, oh, that's just, in hindsight, but I mean, this is supply and demand. Like this, I would have had this marked out right here. And it worked for a bit, and then my stop loss wouldn't have been that tight, so it would have worked out. I guess you could say that is hindsight too. That would have been marked out for me as well. Might not have, actually I probably would have taken that one because this was kind of like a trap here. So that would have been one I'm saying in hindsight that I would have taken that would have lost. So it's not really all in hindsight, it's just what I look for, these strong rallies in price down or up. So as far as supply, that's what I see now. Is currently reacting off of that. So if you're long from around here, you would have taken profits before that supply zone. As far as demand goes, nothing's really that great. Like I guess there's some demand right in there. A little bit of demand in there. Kind of basically tested. I don't really even like any of these, to be honest. I would almost rather hold out for now. That's not bad. I'd probably go down into the daily and look in here. Nothing I even really like. Maybe that there, but nothing really too pretty on the the demand side for Enbridge. If somebody's holding a gun to my head and they said, buy when you can, it would probably be in this general area around here. Reason being is because broke supply, broke this demand in here, broke all supply, even though the structure itself isn't really that great. It's kind of hard to draw a structure, but I mean right here is not too bad. For trading it's kind of tough because you don't want your stop all the way down here, but this is, you don't really want your stop in here either, so it's kind of tough. It's not really the easiest. Maybe if you look out on the monthly. Yeah, the monthly actually it becomes a little more clear. So actually, yeah, I'm glad I went to the monthly. So if I come to the monthly, this is where I'd be buying. So wherever that is in the weekly, that's a pretty good spot because this is, if you were to draw that out, this is tested. This has not been tested. This wick, I guess you can call that a test, but not really in my opinion. So we'll go back to the weekly. So yeah, around this area is where I'd be looking for some buys. Maybe, if you want to average down, this wouldn't be a bad place to buy in case you get something like this. So yeah, that's the closest ones I see for now. Like I said, this monthly looks pretty good. That's probably where my ultimate buy would be. As far as supply goes, you got a lot that's going to stop you here. Obviously, the ultimate supply is up there. Let's just say if I were to be getting long around here, my ultimate target would have to be up here. That's 40% from there. It's probably about 35 from there, 22, yeah. From there. So yeah, that's the supply that I see. All of this is kind of a reaction from this. It's tested multiple times. Yeah, those are the bigger supply and demand zones as far as the weekly perspective goes. And the monthly, I'm sure you can find some day trades in here. Actually, if you even go down to the daily, you might find something in here. Not really, nothing great at all. So actually, I wouldn't even, I'd maybe do super small position here, average down around in here for this ultimate target up here, because like I said, this isn't very strong. But yeah, that's what I see when I'm looking at Enbridge as far as an investing goes. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe for more stock analysis tips. Thanks.